we will practice last type of meditation, and that is compassion meditation or loving kindness meditation. In this meditation also, we use visualization technique. But now we are creating a specific emotion. So it is good to separate this technique, this type of meditation, other than visualization. Visualization can be used to create different emotions, like attraction towards sex or repulsion from the sex. But compassion meditation is used to hold some transcendental emotions and feelings in our mind. What is transcendental emotion? Human feelings or human emotions are of three sets. They are of three different types. So first type of emotions are biological emotions. Those emotions are because of our natural instinct to survive and to reproduce. So whenever I feel danger to my body, I have anger and fear. Sexual attraction is also biological emotion because it is needed for reproduction. So these emotions are related to me, myself, my body and mind. If I like anything, any specific dish to eat, when I get that food, I feel happiness. I like specific situation. When I get it, I have happiness. So that type of happiness is also biological emotion. When any feeling is related to my body, my mind, my likings, is a biological emotion. All destructive emotions like anger, fear, anxiety, depression are biological emotions. Sakshi Dhyan is very useful to reduce intensity, frequency and period of these biological emotions, because all these biological emotions create some body sensations. In Ayurveda, these biological emotions are named as Dharaniya Vega. So Vega means something happening in my body, and Sakshi Dhyan is very useful to reduce intensity, frequency and period of these biological emotions. Second set of emotions are social emotions. So when I have family, I have to accept something. So acceptance, coordination, understanding emotions of other person, that is empathy, doing something for other person, that is sympathy. All these emotions are social emotions. We can create it by changing our thoughts. But in these social emotions, we have a circle for love, for empathy. Outside that circle, I don't feel any emotion of a person who is not inside my circle, inside my organization, inside my religion. So there is a apapara bhav in second sets of emotions. We and others. And it is also unconscious feeling. So neuroscientists had found that I have empathy for which this empathy is not for all human beings. When I have empathy, there is some activity in my medial prefrontal cortex in my brain. But when I am in front of any person who is not belonging to my religion, my organization, I will not feel empathy for him. That is the unconscious activity of our brain. We may create empathy for all human beings, but unconsciously my brain is reacting differently. And that is the limitation of these second sets of emotions. So those emotions are for my closed ones. Those emotions are for my close people. I will not feel those emotions for entire human being. And transcendental emotions, I can hold those emotions for entire human being, not only for human being, for entire living material, not only for living material, but for entire universe. So transcendental emotions are unconditioned love, compassion for everyone, gratitude for all whole universe, and forgiveness. We have three audios, three exercises in our SafeMind app for this compassion meditation: self-compassion, gratitude, and forgiveness. And we have kept it after three exercises of mindfulness meditation, of Sakshi Dhyan. Why? Because mindfulness meditation is like a cleansing of our mind. It is like an incision and drainage of abscess. When anyone has abscess, we have to do incision and drain the pus from that abscess. Mindfulness meditation works like a drainage of pus from my mind. But after that operative procedure, I have to do dressing on that wound. Compassion meditation is dressing on my wound in my mind. So while practicing mindfulness meditation, I may have destructive emotions in my mind. I will strengthen my observing self and accept those destructive emotions like anxiety, fear. But after the practice of this mindfulness meditation, I have to hold some positive emotions in my mind. That is self-compassion. So while practicing mindfulness meditation, I may have thought that I am useless, I don't have any strength. I will accept those thoughts. But after completion of that mindfulness meditation, I will hold the emotion of self-compassion, that I love myself. I love what is in my body, in my mind. I will love my strength. I will list my strength. So this is a dressing after removing the pus from my mind. Similarly, we can take another example. I have to clean my room, remove the garbage from my room. That is mindfulness meditation for my mind. I have to remove the garbage from my mind. But after the cleaning of the room, I can use room freshener, use dhoop or karpur or agarbatti to create a good smell. Similarly, after mindfulness meditation, compassion meditation is creating a positive, happy emotions in my mind. Third example is taking a bath. One has to take shower, remove all his clothes and wash his body, and then use deodorant. Mindfulness meditation is like washing your mind, cleaning your mind, and compassion is using a deodorant. But today, there is a common practice to use only deodorant, not only about body, but also for a mind. So be happy. This type of recommendation is like a deodorant. It will not be useful if we not clean our body. If we use only deodorant and not take shower, not clean our whole body, we will have skin diseases. Similarly, many people in our society have psychological disorders because they are not cleaning their mind. Where there is input, there is garbage. Our mind has inputs. We are taking inputs from surroundings, from our sense organs. We are taking lot of information, but we are not cleaning our mind. We are not practicing Sakshi Dhyan. We are using only deodorant and recommending be positive, be happy, hold positive emotions. It will not be useful. So we have a responsibility to spread the awareness of Sakshi Dhyan. Every person who is doing daily activity, who have some inputs to his mind, creates some garbage in his mind. So we have to clean that garbage from my mind by Sakshi Dhyan. And then we can hold positive emotions, that I am happy, may all be happy. I am compassionate, may all be compassionate. Holding these thoughts and feelings is compassion meditation. All prayers in different religions are compassion meditation. Sarvepi sukhinas santu, sarve santu niramaya. This is compassion meditation. Vishwa Shanti Prarthana of Vaman Rao Pai is compassion meditation. Pasaidan of Dhaneshwar is compassion meditation. We have to practice it, but after cleaning the garbage from our mind. So let us practice compassion meditation and we will end this session. In this practice, we can imagine the happy situation. So for self-compassion, we can imagine that you are observing your body and loving your body. For gratitude, you can imagine you are meeting with a specific person to pay gratitude. For forgiveness, when you have cleaned your mind about that specific person, then you can practice this forgiveness meditation. You can imagine a person who have hurt you, and then also you are forgiving him. You will forget that person after forgiving also. So forgiveness is also very selfish act. If you want to forget that situation, that person, you have to forgive that person. And we can hold the emotions for entire universe. Sarvepi sukhinas santu. So let us practice this meditation and then we will end our session. Close your eyes. Pay attention to your natural breath movement. Breath is going inside, going outside. You are anchoring your attention in present moment. Now visualize that you are meeting to a person for whom you have respect, gratitude. You are feeling happy. You are paying gratitude to that person. That person is also happy. Hold gratitude for what you have in your life, your knowledge, your resources, your house, your wealth, your relations. Hold the thought and emotion that I am grateful. I am experiencing happiness and peace. May all people be happy, healthy, and grateful. सर्वेपि सुखिनः सन्तु, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. Hold these thoughts and feelings in your mind. May all be happy, healthy, mindful, grateful. I am happy, healthy, mindful, grateful. May all people be happy, healthy, mindful, and grateful. Rub your both hands on each other. Place them on your eyes, on your face. Feel that touch sensation. And open your eyes.